Here's how you can install any apps on Google Pixel. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. To begin with, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet. Then open up Play Store app on your device, after which you need to tap on the search from the very bottom of the screen. Then at the very top, you want to type in the app that you wish to install. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and install Facebook. So type in Facebook, open the Facebook, and there you could see the install button. Tap on it. This is going to take a while. And here you go, you've successfully installed app or Facebook app on your Google Pixel. Now you can tap on the open button and start using the app as well. You could go ahead and do the same thing with the rest of the other apps that you wish to install on Google Pixel. With that, we've completed our steps. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.